Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the scheduling widget in your dashboard. This handy tool can be a game changer for managing your tasks, but it can also be a bit tricky to navigate at first. So let's break it down and make sure you're getting the most out of it. The first thing to remember is that the scheduling widget is all about dates. The information it shows you is directly tied to the date range you've selected in your service desk. If you change the date in your service desk, you'll need to manually refresh the widget to see the updated information. Automatic syncing can also happen upon refresh. Now let's take a look at the three main sections of the widget. Active Unscheduled. This shows you all your open and pending tickets that are marked as scheduled. It doesn't matter what their priority is, high, normal, or low. If they're scheduled, they'll show up here. Pay attention to the date added, start date, and end date columns. These give you crucial information about when the ticket was created and when it's scheduled to be worked on. Active Scheduled Installs. This one's specifically for your on-site installations. You'll see open and pending tickets are both scheduled and have the on-site install type selected. Again, the date range you've chosen will affect what shows up here. Active Unscheduled. This is where you'll find all your open and pending tickets that haven't been scheduled yet. It's a great way to keep an eye on tasks that still need to be slotted into your calendar. Alright, let's put this knowledge into action. Here's how to manage the scheduling widget. First, adjust the date picker. In the service desk, change the date range using the date picker. Go back to your dashboard. You have two options here. You can refresh the entire page, or you can just refresh the specific widget you're interested in. Sometimes it may take a few seconds for the updated information to appear, so be patient. Here are some pro tips for you. Use the View Detail links to jump straight to the relevant tickets. Don't forget to customize the columns in your ticket list view to see all the information you need. And if things are not updating as expected, try refreshing the whole page. And that's a wrap. The scheduling widget is a powerful tool, and now you know how to wield it like a pro. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.